In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to click on this section called General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll and manage all of those options under Smart Typing however you want to. When you're finished with all of those, click on More Typing Options and manage them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!